I state your name, wholeheartedly pledge that I will honor my alma mater before Eastern Polytechnic College. I will untiringly work for the realization of its noble objectives, strive to live with dignity, harness my talents to the utmost, and utilize the skills and values I have been equipped with in the service of God, our country, my fellow men. So help me God. Persia, please